Hi, and welcome to this meditation for beginners. Meditation is a powerful way to slow down, get present, and connect with yourself. Whether you're new to this practice or just need a moment of calm, this session is for you. It's not about doing it perfectly, but simply about being here in this moment, just as you are. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Make sure you're in a space where you won't be disturbed for the next few minutes. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze towards the ground. Now, take a deep breath in through your nose. And as you exhale, let go of any tension or stress you may be holding. Allow your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Just notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest as you breathe in and out. There's no need to control it. Just observe it. Each inhale fills you with fresh energy, and each exhale releases what no longer serves you. Feel your body settle into this natural flow. Now, let's bring awareness to different parts of the body, starting at the top of your head. As I guide you, simply notice any sensations without judgment or the need to change anything. Begin by bringing attention to your forehead. Let it soften and release any tension. Now, move down to your eyes, letting them relax in their sockets. Notice your jaw. Is it clenched? If so, allow it to loosen and relax. Let your tongue rest gently inside your mouth. Now, bring your focus to your neck and shoulders. With every exhale, let them drop a little further away from your ears. Let's move your awareness down to your arms, all the way to your hands. Feel the weight of your hands resting in your lap or by your sides. Notice if there's any tension in your fingers and let it go. Shift your focus to your chest and belly. Notice the gentle rise and fall with each breath. Allow your breath to soften any tightness here. Now, bring your awareness to your hips and legs. Feel the weight of your body being supported by the ground beneath you. Imagine the tension in your legs, knees, and feet melting away with each exhale. Take a moment to notice how your body feels now. Perhaps it feels a little more relaxed, more grounded. As you continue to breathe naturally, bring your attention to the sensations around you. Notice the temperature of the air on your skin. Become aware of any sounds you might hear, nearby or in the distance. Simply observe them without judgment. Feel the contact points between your body and the surface supporting you. The firmness of the chair or the softness of the cushion. As thoughts arise, acknowledge them and let them pass like clouds drifting across the sky. Return your focus gently to your breath. You are fully present in this moment, connected to your breath and body. Now, I invite you to visualize a place that makes you feel calm and safe. This could be a peaceful garden, a quiet beach at sunrise, or somewhere in nature. Picture yourself in this place, surrounded by serenity and stillness. Notice the colors, the sounds, and the feeling of being in this calm space. Let yourself be completely at ease here. As you sit in this peaceful place, imagine the calmness flowing through your entire body. Each breath you take brings more peace, more relaxation. Now, gently bring your awareness back to your breath. Feel the gentle rhythm of your inhales and exhales, and notice how your body feels. From the top of your head, down through your neck, your chest, your arms, your legs, all the way to the tips of your toes. Feel the sensation of calmness spread throughout your body. Take a moment to appreciate this feeling of relaxation you've created for yourself. When you're ready, slowly begin to bring your attention back to the room around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and gently open your eyes. Remember, meditation is a practice, and there is no right or wrong way to do it. Every time you meditate, you're doing something wonderful for yourself. Feel free to return to this practice anytime you need a moment of calm or clarity. If you enjoyed this meditation, consider subscribing to the channel for more guided sessions. And thank you for taking this time for yourself today.